First, I will perform hand hygiene and close the curtain for privacy. Hello, Mr. Ertel. My name is Bessie. I'll be your nurse today.
Hello.
May I see your wristband to confirm your name and date of birth?
Yeah, it's Ronnie Andrew Hertel, January 21st, 1987.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ertel. What we're going to be doing today is moving you from the bed to the chair, okay?
Okay.
This is a gait belt. It's going to help me support you moving you from the bed to the chair. When I put it around you, I want you to rock 3 times, and on the third rock, use your hands to push up from the bed so you can stand, and we will pivot to the chair.
Okay.
Can you confirm which side is your supporting side?
Yeah, my right leg is stronger.
Okay, we're going to put your right leg in between my legs so I can help support when we pivot, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to apply some skid-proof footwear and a gown. I'm going to measure the gait belt to make sure it's secure and snug. The gait belt is secure and I can put my hands around it. Okay, Mr. Ertel, let's rock, and on the third rock, use your hands to lift up from the bed.
Okay.
Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, stand and turn and sit. Okay, are you feeling dizzy or lightheaded?
No, I feel fine.
Okay, I'm going to remove the gait belt. Going to remove the footwear and the gown. I'm going to perform hand hygiene. Are you comfortable, Mr. Ertel?
I am.
Okay. I will document the event and done.